Hey there guys, this is Jack back here at W5 NIO, and today we're going to be unboxing the Ubiquiti NanoBridge M5 wireless bridge radio and antenna. So first off, I ordered this from Amazon.com for about $90 each. I got two of them. Well, what you'll notice right as you open the box is, well, I've already opened the box that Amazon delivered to me. Not this one right here, but so you'll notice that you'll get a dish that's not wrapped. This is just the metal reflector dish that it comes with, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this box right here has all the radio and the power supply and everything inside of it. So let's go ahead and open that up. So you have a quick start guide, your power supply, your PoE injector, which is actually pretty good. I've already opened up another one of these and tried them out. These are built very nicely. Then this is the Ethernet enclosure. So you'll stick your cable through there and it'll come out the bottom, and there's like a little thing to tie that off so that it can be completely weatherproof. And this will go on the back side of the dish, so it'll come up under the dish, and the radio itself will go into the dish, so they kind of like mesh together, and so they're always attached to the dish, and so they don't fall off. This, if it'll come out, is the radio. Tiny, really tiny. It's a little less than probably 6 inches. It feels really nice. Feels like they built it pretty well. There's the Ethernet adapter port with a little LED indicator. Although you probably won't need that LED indicator because this will be mounted up on a roof, I would assume. This right here is, it'll come out, is an Ethernet shielding cable that helps shield the cable from the elements. So you'll put that right there and it'll kind of keep water out. Then open this up. We have power supply, or the power cable for the PoE adapter. Because you'll need you'll need two Ethernet cables for this, for the power over Ethernet. Because you have to use power over Ethernet. You can't use anything else. There's not a DC in port on the radio itself. So how this thing works is you plug in this part right here. It says PoE leads to your device, the radio, to the LAN. Plugs into a router, switch, or maybe a computer, which in this case is what I'll be using. And of course, this is where your power cable goes into. Now, I already showed a full video of how this is all set up. It's not like a step-by-step, but it shows you what it looks like when it's completely finished. Somewhere down in here, I should have screws. I may have to look in the box that this originally came with. But it does come with mounting screws, because there's a mounting bracket that it came with. Let's go over here. Yeah, the mounting bracket is right here. It's in a box. I'll go ahead and take that out, show you guys. But I'm going to eventually sell these radios after I do a short testing with them, because I have no use in keeping them. So probably won't. So yeah, here we go. Here's your mounting bracket. So slip onto the back of the radio, and this right here, there'll be a little clamp. So let's go back over here. There's all the screws and the mounting clamp. So it's pretty simple, pretty nicely packaged. I mean, I like it. It works. They packaged it with minimal amount of unzipping and tearing open of bags and stuff. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in an upcoming video of me testing this with the other NanoBridge. We'll be doing a broadband hamnet test length of about 2 kilometers. So it should be interesting. Thank you for watching.